What's up everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you on a hike with me to one of Tennessee's most beautiful places, Fall Creek Falls State Park. Now the journey to get there wasn't exactly sunshine and rainbows. We set off from Atlanta excited for the day of adventure, but Mother Nature had other plans. Let's just say there were some rough patches of storms on the way. We definitely got a little soaked. By the time we arrived at Fall Creek Falls, the rain had cleared and it started to become a beautiful day. The drive through the park itself was stunning. Lush green mountains and winding roads and fresh air. It was already starting to feel worth the wet car. When we got there, we parked and we were ready to hit the trails. The hike itself was pretty moderate. It was a good mix of inclines, declines, and flat stretches. And it was as scenic and as beautiful as can be. At the beginning of a trail, there's a quick in and out down a flight of steps that leads you to a waterfall and a pretty big swimming hole if you wanted to cool off and relax in the water. So we ventured down there first to check it out. After that, we were on our way. The trail starts off with a bridge. It's pretty narrow and wobbly. The dogs were hating this bridge. None of them seemed to like it. I loved it. It was hard to keep your balance. You kind of had to hold on here and there, but it's a great bridge and beautiful to walk over. One of my favorite parts of the trails are all the in and out excursions you can take, like this one example. This is Crane Creek's Falls. It has a pretty steep decline and incline to get to it, but the view to get there, or once you get there, is absolutely amazing. As you can see, it's still pretty wet and slippery from all the rain, but I think that's what held off most of the crowd, so I didn't mind at all. Look at that beautiful water. Hot. The hike itself was pretty moderate. There was a couple steep inclines and declines, but those were in and outs and they were optional. You didn't have to take them. But overall, the trail was well maintained, easy to navigate and walk on, beautiful, scenic, one of my favorite trails thus far. You could hear the falls roaring as you started to get closer. I was getting excited. You could see it peek through the trees too. When you arrive at the first lookout point of the waterfall, you're able to get a great overview of all the mountains and the waterfall in the whole. The view is absolutely gorgeous and the camera and pictures do it no justice. But if you want, you're able to go down to the bottom of the waterfall where you can swim, explore, and get as close as you want to the waterfall. It's a pretty strenuous hike from here on out. It's pretty steep decline and incline, and pretty rocky all the way through. As you get closer to the falls, you're met with beautiful boulders, rocks, landscapes, caves. It's very scenic and a very amazing hike throughout this part right here. When you first walk up, I mean, it's breathtaking, to say the least. Like I said, the videos can do it no justice. This bad boy is humming down. Fall Creek Falls is absolutely stunning. The water cascading down is 256 feet. It's truly breathtaking sight. The mist rising from the pool below created a rainbow that seemed to dance in the sunlight. We spent a good hour just hanging out by the falls, soaking up the beauty and the sound of rushing waters. It was a perfect way to end a somewhat challenging but ultimately rewarding hike. Fall Creek Falls is definitely a must visit for anyone who loves spending time outdoors. It's a place that will leave you feeling refreshed, inspired, and maybe a little bit sore from all the hiking. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.